Good morning, Seika. Beautiful. You want me to read the fable for you? What's the title? The Owl and the Birds. Seika. Let's read. There was once an owl who, in her wisdom, advised the rest of the birds that whenever they noticed a little shoot growing from an acorn, they should pull it up out of the ground. The owl said that acorns encourage the growth of mistletoe, from which hunters could make sticky bird lime. The hunters would then paste the bird lime onto reeds, which they would place in trees, bushes, and hedgerows. Then birds would get stuck to the reeds and be caught by the hunters. What are you doing? Wow, nice. The owl also advised the other birds to pluck up the seed of the flax plant, which people often grew as crops. The flax was then used to make nets and snares to trap birds. Lastly, the owl, seeing an archer approach, predicted that this man would make arrows from feathers that fell from the birds, which would be able to fly faster than the wings of the birds themselves. These two would be used to kill birds. The birds also thought that the owl had gone mad and took no notice of these warning words. However, afterwards, many of them found out the hard way that her words were true. Sleepy? Then they marveled at her knowledge and decided that she must be the wisest of birds. But by then it was too late. Now, whenever the birds look up to the owl and ask for her advice, she no longer gives it. She just hangs her head and feels sorry for their earlier stupidity. Destroy the seed of evil, or it will grow up to be your ruin. Nice fable. You like it? Kiss the camera. Bye bye viewers. See you in the next vlog. Ah, bye bye viewers. Bye bye Seika, pretty Seika.